CITET's creation has been a defining moment in the environmental accomplishment of the government of Tunisia. It stemmed from its understanding and will to promote environmental and clean technology as a mean towards sustainable development. CITET was inaugurated by President Zine El Abidine Ben Ali on June 6, 1996, International Environment Day. CITET headquarters are set in the heart of a park area extending over 5 hectares. It is intended to demonstrate that nature and technology can get along efficiently. All the buildings are energy efficient. Today, CITET is a strategic facility and converging point for the development of environmental technologies in Tunisia and abroad. CITET, in its various components, is internationally accredited through ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 and ISO 17025 norms. International activities of the CITET have been developed through collaboration with the World Bank, the African Development Bank, the European Union, the United Nations Environmental Programme, and bilateral agencies such as the Technical Cooperation Agencies from Germany, GTZ, Japan, JICA, Switzerland, DDC, and France, AFD. In addition, CITET works directly with European member partners such as Belgium, Luxembourg, Spain, Italy, and Monaco. CITET missions are focused on the development, adapting, and improvements of environmental technologies and as a mean for sustainable development. A strong component of these missions lies in the capacity building in environmental technologies, both at national and regional levels. Today, globalization and the free flowing of information have created conditions where the success of national economies lies not only in their productivity, but as well in the quality of their products. In this context, the mastering and development of advanced, environmentally clean technologies has become a critical issue. For that purpose, CITET has developed numerous programs of upgrading existing technologies and introducing new ones in numerous fields, including waste management. CITET has been successful in producing superior quality composts, fertilizers through the use of aerobic fermentation technique applied to organic wastes. This type of development carried at CITET is being extended to larger markets. For instance, the process and recipes for production of fertilizers from organic wastes developed here has been transferred to the private sectors, establishing plants for larger scale production of such fertilizers. Cultivalor, a firm based in Nassan in the outskirts of Tunis, treats waste from the poultry sector. And Al Khadra Services, based in Soliman, has successfully commercialized fertilizers produced from wastes. Similarly, a private firm based at Al Qala Kbira has successfully adopted processes developed at CITET which transform phenol-rich waste liquids from olive oil production into fertilizers of superior quality. The German firm Gruchow, based at Qorba, successfully uses urban waste to produce fertilizers. Finally, in collaboration with Sotulub, based in Bizerta, CITET has successfully demonstrated that oil-soothed soils can be used to produce usable fertilizers. Rural water treatment is another sector of development at CITET. After numerous development stages and experiments on models at CITET, a full-scale water treatment plant using macrophyte and artificial wetland was successfully built and operated at Jugar in the delegation of Al-Fahs, with the capacity to treat water for a commune of 1,000 people. Lab monitoring of the water quality at Jugar has shown the successes and reliability of the experimental station. Such small-scale, low-cost technology holds the potential to be the best available solution to rural water treatment overall. scarcity of water has led to research into possible reuse of treated waters. In collaboration with the World Bank, CITET has conducted in situ experiments of tertiary treatment plant of the urban waters of Gabes. Part of the treated water is used for irrigation of experimental agricultural plots, including vegetable growing. Lab monitoring results have convincingly shown the feasibility of the process and the harmless nature of the vegetables produced in such contexts. CITET is also involved in water quality monitoring. For instance, CITET has earlier installed and currently monitors as a continuous record the quality of water of the Medjerda, the largest river flowing into Tunisia, with its sources in Algeria. Together with other national institutions, CITET is also part of the network that monitors the quality of beach waters in Tunisia. CITET activities, in collaboration with other specialized centers, extend as well to other fields, such as renewable energy or agricultural research. In the latter case, in collaboration with the Regional Center of INGREF of Gabes, CITET has been working on the development of a set of Saharan vegetation seed bank, which was instrumental in the successful revegetation of parts of the Snoussi area in Manzil al-Habib. Through its collaboration with Tunisian universities, CITET has been developing efficient pilot plants for the production of biogas. CITET will be involved in the setup of a biogas-fed electric production unit using 20 to 40 tons of daily organic waste from the Tunis wholesale market. CITET is a national cleaner production center and is contributing through technical assistance to the development of cleaner companies in the sectors of industry, tourism, transport, agriculture, and health. Technical assistance involves leading companies to upgrade their environmental performances to national and World Trade Organization standards and to European standards as required by the upcoming free trade agreements. Meeting of those standards is now a vital issue in the future development of the Tunisian enterprises if they wish to access international markets or sustain competition in the national market. Sectors in which technical assistance is provided by CITET to companies range from industrial wastewater treatment and the meeting of prescribed norms for industrial effluents, to air quality and emissions, and finally to programs and assistance towards increased efficiency in energy, water, and material resources management. CITET also brings assistance to enterprises into acquiring ISO 14001 certification, bringing them to the international standards and helping them into securing an eco-label recognition of their products and services. Analytical support is provided by CITET laboratory facilities accredited for a full range of environmental analysis and certified ISO 17025, the first in Africa and the Arab world. These leading analytical facilities, capable of treating solids, liquids, and gases, are used at the national and regional levels in support for measurements and monitoring of air quality and emissions, noise and sound nuisances, solid waste characterization, wastewater and treated water quality, and so on. Measurements of non-organic and organic parameters such as heavy metal content, hydrocarbon content, microbiological components, bacterial content, etc. are all possible. At CITET, we use state-of-the-art analytical instruments and apparatus operated by highly trained Tunisian personnel. Training and capacity building are a major part of CITET activities. This is reflected in the extensive and elaborate training programs offered by the Center on a regular basis, in addition to the possibility of designing short or long-term customized programs, as could be requested by representatives from the public or private sector, both at the national, regional, and international level, and support facilities at the center in terms of multimedia tools, large classrooms, etc. In collaboration with a number of Tunisian universities, CITET has developed and delivers 4 non-thesis master programs in, respectively, environmental communication, environmental economy, environmental technology, and environment and health. These programs and the many other professional training programs make CITET the leading institution in the field of environmental education in North Africa and the Middle East. To support its development and training activities, CITET has an on-site documentation and information center with a well-equipped library and access to virtual databases. It runs a trilingual web portal providing information and access to a host of other tools, including metadata on environment and sustainable development. It also publishes a series of documents either in electronic or paper format on selected environmental information, including alerts and announcements. With its facilities and activities, CITET is a true model of successful partnership leading to efficient use and development of environmental technologies, and its contribution to make the Tunisian production sector very competitive at national and international levels. CITET is a true leader in the successful transfer of environmental technologies. Strategically located and in view of its recognized expertise, it has become an internationally acclaimed institution, a strategic North-South intermediary in technical environmental cooperation, and a key tool for the sustainable development of Tunisia and the whole Mediterranean area.